I am Jim Bogus, Manufacturing Manager for Aloe Vera of America. I am responsible for the compounding or blending of the products as well as the packaging. If Aloe Vera of America was a chocolate factory, they'd call me Willy Wonka. I love the products so much because I know what's in them. It makes me feel great that I can take that home, give it to my family, and I have 100% confidence in its quality. I love being the best at something. And what we put out supports thousands of people globally. It makes me feel great. Our VMI platform is our new investment to manufacture our household good and cosmetic products. We work together with engineering companies to design this custom packaging and blending equipment, and it was a $5.5 to $6 million investment. Forever Living Products is willing to make such a sizable investment because they want to be here for the next 30 years. They want to be here for the next 100 years, making the highest quality, safest, most efficient product possible. The blending tank has 3 types of agitation inside of it. But what's special about it is that it's built into the tank. So we can induct all of our ingredients without ever having to stand on a ladder to introduce raw materials directly into the tank. So there is no need to recirculate the product to have it go through a secondary process. It's all in one vessel. And we are going to take a product that used to be made in 24 hours and be able to do it in 8 hours. When I bring other companies that are similar to us and they see what type of blending equipment or packaging equipment we have, they all tell me how we have the Rolls Royce of blending and packaging processes. Safety, quality, and efficiency are our priorities. And the VMI platform is the right tool for the job. Our distributors can be confident that we have the highest state-of-the-art equipment for their products. FOP is going to redefine the industry. As a matter of fact, we're doing it now. We're always moving forward, so we're succeeding.